Trade Russian Stocks by www.profitabletradingtips.com. The most reliable ways to trade Russian stocks are by ways of American Depository receipts or funds of Russian stocks traded as American Depository receipts. An American Depository receipt, or ADR, is a negotiable security that trades in the U.S. financial markets. An ADR represents a security of a non-United States company and are called American Depository shares. An ADR is denominated in and pays dividends in U.S. dollars. The best way to trade Russian stocks is using Level 2 or Level 3 American Depository receipts. The best Russian stocks to trade will depend upon the results of both fundamental and technical analysis. First of all, what Russian stocks and funds trade as American Depository receipts? List of Russian stock ARDs: Lukoil, Qiwi, Luxoft, Sberbank, Gasprom, Norilsk Nickel, Voya Russia A, Vimpel Communications, Mekel OAO, Rostocom, Surgent Neftgas. List of Russian fund ADRs: Central Europe, Russia and Turkey Fund, Direction Daily Russian Bull 3X, Market Vectors Russia, iShares MSCI Russia Capped Index. The point of Level 2 and 3 American Depository receipts. The higher level ADRs must file with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. These foreign stocks must provide information similar to what U.S. companies must file in order to trade on the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, and Amex. This makes the information that you need to trade Russian stocks or any foreign stocks more reliable. The information is updated as with American stocks, and reports are in English. Picking Russian stocks to trade. The price of a stock is determined by what traders and investors are willing to pay. In today's markets, a major factor is the situation in Ukraine and sanctions being imposed on Russia by the European Union and the USA. Russian natural gas bound for Europe passes through Ukraine. A current issue is if Russia will cut off oil and/or gas supplies to Europe due to the current civil war in Ukraine and related politics. It may be profitable to trade Russian stocks in the oil and gas sector, banking sector, or any sectors that could be affected by current events. Make money trading Russian stocks. When trading Russian oil stocks, consider in general how to trade oil stocks. How to trade oil stocks is more than predicting when production will peak. How to trade oil stocks has to do with knowing who has and is developing the technology to successfully tap deep-sea reserves and successfully pump oil from the depths. A company with the technology to do so successfully will be a good long-term investment. The fact that Western companies may be hesitant to invest in Russia may significantly deter the use of new technology in the development of Russian oil fields. Trading strategies will vary by trader, but if you trade Russian stocks, you will need to pay attention to current events and stick with American Depository receipts in order to have the most accurate information to work with. For more insights and useful information about trading stocks, commodities, and currencies, visit www.profitabletradingtips.com.